Welcome back. Keep your eyes on this system. It is potential snowfall, but it is not the winner for tomorrow's weather in east central Illinois. A system that is developing and rising up from Texas and probably through Arkansas is going to be with us tomorrow. It's not here yet, though. Currently, we have those clear skies on campus and elsewhere in east central Illinois. Our conditions include a temperature of 54 here in Charleston still, 57 in Robinson, and a little cooler as you would expect up north in Champaign, 46, and 45 for the low spot currently in Taylorville. Overnight tonight, we are expecting a low temperature near 43 degrees, increasing clouds, and also at times increasing winds with gusts of up to 20 miles per hour. Here we go again. Let's take a look at tomorrow's temperatures, and we're not hiding the fact that we're going to have some rainfall tomorrow, a possible thunderstorm, a possible mixing of a couple of weather systems, a high maybe of 57. We've been looking at these systems all day, judging this somewhat by committee, and the models do not agree on what's supposed to happen tomorrow, but here's what Futurecast is showing. We are expecting the possibility of thunderstorms as early as 3 o'clock tomorrow morning in the west, and this system does move from the southwest to the northeast, Tuscola, Danville, maybe even in Paris, the possibility of some intensification, a possible thunderstorm. Otherwise, we have widely scattered showers in the morning, but that system quickly moves out by the afternoon. Not much to speak of, but you do see perhaps that other weather system from Colorado. It could mean some possible snow in areas to the north of us. We'll keep an eye on things tomorrow. But let's talk about winds now. First of all, winds from the northeast coming down. This is tomorrow morning at about 7 o'clock, and look at the variance in the wind gusts. Only a 6-mile-an-hour gust maybe down in Robinson, but gusts of up to 30 miles per hour in Taylorville and Decatur. Again, that's 7 o'clock in the morning. By noon, the system seems to be calling for winds from the south and southeast, and that bodes well for temperatures, so we will see highs again at least in the 50s. Looking further down the road, a few hours, we have the wind shifting to the west, gusting again past 30 miles an hour, and then finally in the evening we have a shift. Northwest winds Thursday night, and that's going to mean it's going to be very cold, or at least returning back to normal for this time of year with lows in the 20s. That will bring our high temperature for Friday only into the 30s. That's lower than normal for this time of year. Saturday we start the warm up though with another wind shift, winds from the southwest, a high of 46, and Sunday we have a high temperature of 54 with more southwest winds. Speaking of the winds we've just encountered, Coles County led the way last night, 46 miles an hour, 45-mile-an-hour winds at Willard Airport. And we did have winds this morning in Paris and in Robinson, more than 35 miles per hour. And now here's our 7-day outlook, again showing you a good possibility for showers and thunderstorms. And again, that's going to be tomorrow morning with a couple of different weather systems potentially battling with each other in our area, and that will affect the winds as well. The next chance of rain, though, about 6 days later.